Hi everyone, welcome back to HiFi Audios. Today we're gonna talk about Disney on Ice and how you can find the best seats to see Mickey, Minnie, and all their friends. So if you love Disney and want to have a great time at the show, keep watching. And if you're looking for an in-depth guide to all things Disney on Ice, we got you covered. Check out our detailed written guide. You can find the link in the description below. Disney on Ice, what is it? Disney on Ice is like bringing Disney movies to life, but on ice. You get to see amazing skaters dressed as Disney characters, performing to the music we all love. It's a fun and magical show for everyone. So now that you know what Disney on Ice is all about, let's talk about where to sit to catch all the magic. Choosing the right spot is super important to fully enjoy the show, so here's the scoop on the best seats in the house. The front row is where all the magic feels closest. Why are front row seats so special? You get to see everything without anyone's head in your way. The characters are so close, you could almost touch them. It's the best spot for kids to wave and blow kisses to their favorite Disney pals. There's extra legroom and comfy seats, making it easier for adults and kids to sit through the show. But keep in mind, these seats are usually more expensive, so you might want to book them early or look out for deals. If the front row is all booked or a bit too pricey, seats near the section entrance are your next best bet. Here's why. You're close to the doors, which means quick trips to the bathroom or the snack bar. You're not too far from the ice, so you can still see all the action clearly. With little ones, you'll appreciate not having to climb over lots of stairs and people. This spot is especially handy if you're attending the show with young kids who might need frequent breaks. If you want to be close to the front but not in the front row, try the end seats in the first 10 rows. Here's what's good about them. You get a straight-on view of the show, which is where characters often skate towards. You're close enough to feel part of the action, especially when the excitement is near the curtain. These seats can be more affordable compared to the front row but still offer a great experience. Remember, characters use the whole ice, so you'll get to see them up close no matter which side of the arena you're on. Things to think about when picking your seat. Think about a few things. Know how much you want to spend. Some seats are more expensive, so find one that's good but also affordable. Look at the seat map for where the show is. It helps to pick a good seat. Make sure nothing is blocking your view, like lights or speakers. If someone needs extra help walking, find seats that are easy to get to. Get there early so you don't miss anything. Dress warmly, it can get cold inside. Look for discounts and buy from safe places. So Disney on Ice is a blast, and sitting in the right spot makes it even better. Keep in mind how much you can spend, where you want to sit, and make sure you can see everything. If this video helped you, hit the like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more cool Disney stuff. And tell us in the comments about your Disney on Ice adventures. And if you want to dive even deeper and get all the detailed tips and insights for your Disney on Ice experience, don't forget to check out our comprehensive guide. The link is in the description below.